This is how I feel. And it went like... Whoa. Good morning. You guys wanted another Tia Mowry's Quick Fix day in the life? You ask and you shall receive. So here we go.
In the morning with my little armadillo.
Y'all, as you can see, my son is in my bed. What time did you come in here?
6:06. No, let me tell you something.
No. We don't want to hear a long, drawn-out story, Cree.
No,
What do
because
you?
it was really cold. That's all.
Oh, okay. Well, this one right here. Say hello.
Hello. Kind of open my eyes, my do-rag.
Your do-rag.
Yeah, I'm just hanging out with my tuk-tuk.
Tuk-tuk. So he comes in the room and he's just, Corey, we're all in the bed, and he's just like, comes in the room, hangs out. So anyway, that's why he's in the bed with his tuk-tuk. He said it was too cold in his room, so that's why he came in our bed.
7:43. I gotta go get dressed.
You're gonna go get dressed?
Yeah.
Okay, so Cree's gonna get dressed.
But
Cairo's gonna be up in a minute.
Please keep my armadillo safe for you. Keep it on your head till I come back. Thank you very much.
Really, Cree? So I'm supposed to keep this tuk-tuk on my head until you come back?
Yep.
Okay, all right.
No, I'm serious, Mom. You have to keep that on.
Okay, I'll try to keep it on my head. Go get ready.
Keep him safe. If he falls, then that's your fault.
Okay. All right, see you in a minute.
Bye.
Bye. Y'all, Cree came in here twice to check on me to see if I still had this dang on armadillo. I think that's what it is on my head. He's on my head, Cree. The stuff that parents do. I mean, what am I gonna do? I gotta get ready. I gotta brush my teeth. Does he expect for me to just keep this armadillo on my head while I do that? Oh my gosh, help. So Cree just walked in here and I kept my promise. I still have this dang on armadillo on my head. And he said, did you keep it on your head? I did. I did not take it off my head, Cree.
Well, see about that.
I didn't. I kept
If
this on.
Jesus was sitting right there, would you say it?
Yeah. I'm a little tired. Wash my face. Fresh face. Grab my cotton. I'm just gonna add some toner to this. Just like this. And then just finish cleaning my face off with it. I feel like toner like really makes the skin really nice and even. And then also it kind of picks up whatever the face wash didn't get, so that you're left with extra clean skin. Cairo's not up yet. She actually got up. It's so funny, you guys. Cairo gets up at 4:30 in the morning and she'll just start singing. She'll sing her ABCs. She'll sing Wheels on the Bus Go Round and Round. And she's in her bed. She's not getting up. So Corey and I, we don't disturb her, you know? And then she'll just go right back to sleep. So whenever that happens and when she has like a really nice jamming session, should I say, or jam session, early in the morning, I let her sleep in just a little bit because, you know, she woke up and I want to make sure that she gets the rest that she needs to tackle on her day. You know, because Cairo has a big day.
Hi.
My little munchkin. It's crazy how these kids grow up so fast. Okie dokie. So you see how clean the skin is now? And look, there was still like a lot of makeup on my face. I did not wash my face before I went to bed last night, you guys. I was so tired. That's a big no-no, but sometimes I do it. But when that does happen, I want to make sure that I clean my face, and my face is really nice and clean. Okay, I'm just gonna put on my weightless free moisturizer. Just like that. Perfect. So now my face is clean. Okay, I'm gonna check on Cairo. And how I check on Cairo is I actually have this really cool, let's see, let me turn on the light. I actually have this monitor like this. So you see, she's still sleeping. And once she gets up, then I'll go ahead and check up on her. In the meantime, I'm gonna clean up my room, and then she should be up in a few minutes. Cairo's up.
Hi, my love. Hi. How are you? Good morning.
Hi, Cairo. I see your outfit and you're eating. You got some cheese, some apples, some waffles. Are you ready to go to school?
Cheese.
Cheese, yes.
Cheese.
Cheese. And we're gonna do your hair, right? Because girl, your hair. Are you about to go to school? Okay, school time. Bye, Cairo. Hi, Cree. You have your tuk-tuk? What's the matter? You're tired. You're in school. Okay. Say hi to Quick Fix.
Hi, Quick Fix.
And you're gonna be in school for how long today?
Probably like 7 hours.
7 hours? Okay, well, I love you. While you're in school, Mommy's gonna start getting ready, okay? Okay, bye. All right, you guys, so now it's my turn to start getting ready. The kids, both of them, they're in school. Cairo, as you can see, she was eating her breakfast, and then she started her lesson, and then Cree was in school, so now it's time for Mommy to start getting ready for the day. We're actually in the garage because of COVID. And as you can see, everybody has on their masks. Hi, hi, hi. So anyway, the first thing up is Wendy Williams, Kaylee?
Yep.
Okay, so we got Wendy Williams. We're doing that first. Kaylee, can you tell everyone what my schedule is today?
So you have Wendy Williams. You're taping that at 11:10,
Okay.
and then you've got a bit of a break, and then you're going to be taping something with the girls of Girls Inc., which is a really cool nonprofit in New York City.
Okay.
And then you will be doing the Karen Hunter radio show. That's on camera because they'll be using snippets for promotion. And then the last thing you have today is a phone interview with Ford.
Oh, long day. So let's start getting ready.
Okay, you guys, so I just finished my hair and my makeup. I have my clothes on. Now I'm about to do Wendy Williams. So basically I have like a setup here, and I'm just going to bring up the camera. Of course, I can't show anything because of, rights and all that kind of stuff, but I will be sitting down here talking to Wendy Williams. We have our light and we are ready to go.
So I just finished my interview with Wendy Williams. So now I'm gonna go straight into another interview with some amazing, incredible girls from Girls Inc. I've been working with this organization for a very long time. This organization is just about uplifting and inspiring these young girls to be their best selves. And any way that I could lend any advice to help them, I am always there. So I'm about to go ahead and do an interview with them next. See ya! Whew. All right, you guys, so my day is still going. I just finished doing an incredible radio show on Sirius XM. just took my shoes off, y'all. I am so, like, my feet are killing me. But I have one last thing, and that is an interview with Forbes. All right, you guys, peace out. I'm tired. I finished all of my interviews. We had a lot planned today, but again, I love my job. I love what I do. I'm gonna take a little nap. After I take a nap, I am going to get ready for my dinner with Corey. See you guys soon. It's the end of the day, and basically, Corey and I, we have not gone out on a date night in forever. So Corey is upstairs in the shower getting ready, and as you can see, I'm all ready. You guys, Corey, he takes forever to get ready. This is like the truth. So I'm always like waiting on Corey, but anyway, I'm so excited to go out on a date with him. Of course, you know, we've been on lockdown. The numbers have been going down in LA, so they've opened up restaurants. But in a year, you guys, this is the second time that I'm going out to a restaurant. So I will be wearing my mask. But before I do that, I gotta put on some lipstick. So let me put some lipstick on and I'll be back. Oh, and then I'll also do like a cool little outfit reveal for you guys, what I'm wearing, okay? Oh, wow, this is so cool, you guys. I have a new stick. So this is like so awesome. It like kind of moves with you, see? Hey, I can do a little turn. Wait, I was like, is that somebody at the door? Okay, so got my earrings on, my lipstick. I am ready to go, but before I go, I wanna show you guys my outfit.
I wanted to dress really cute, so I have my jeans, this really cool shirt. It has like these cool kind of puffy sleeves, which is a thing that I like. I have my cool jewelry, and then you guys, I love this purse. This purse says "In Systemic Racism." It's such a cool bag. I got my jeans on and then my shoes on, and we are ready to go.
Mr. Hardrict, you look so nice and handsome. Are you excited to go on our date?
Of course.
I love y'all.
Love you too.
Okay.
Can you take a picture of me like this?
Yes. All right, you guys, I'm about to go to bed. I'm so tired, had a long day, but it was very productive. As you can see, I took my wig off. Date night was amazing with Corey. We have not gone out to dinner in a really long time, so it was nice to just have a few glasses of wine, you know, just enjoy each other's company. So I just wanna say thank you guys so much again for just being a part of this community. Let me know in the comments below what you wanna see more of. Here's some more episodes. All right, you guys, bye-bye, good night.